given f of x equal to sin of sin x and cot x f double dash x plus f dash x plus g of x into cot x equal to 0. Then find this g of x value. So first to simplify this condition, we want this g of x. So take these two into RHS minus cot x into f double dash x plus f dash x becomes to minus f dash x. We want g of x. Bring this one into RHS. Cot x becomes to minus cot x by cot x by cot x. Cot x cancel. Minus f double dash x 1 by cot x equal tan x into f dash x. So we want f dash x and f double dash x. So given f of x is this one, f of x equal to sin of sin x, f dash x, this is a bit number bit number 77. Bit number 77. Given f of x, sin of sin x. So first take f dash, derivative of sin function, cos sin x, derivative of this side, cos sin x, derivative of sin x equal to cos x. This is a f dash x. Next, f double dash. Again differentiate with respect to x. This is in the form of u into v. U into v. U dash v plus v dash u. Derivative of cos function minus sin. Derivative of sin x cos x. This cos x is this one. Derivative of cos x minus sin x cos of sin x. So this is f dash x, this is f double dash x. So substitute f dash and f double dash, that means 2 and 3 in first equation. G of x equal to, this minus is this one, f double dash, this one, minus sin x, cos x into cos x, cos square x, minus sin x into cos of sin x, minus tan x, sin x by cos x, f dash x. What is f dash x? Cos of sin x into cos x. This cos x cancel. Multiply with minus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus sin cos sin x. Observe these two, both are same. One is positive, one is negative. Cancel. So g of x value is sin of sin x into cos square x. Next, bit number 76. Y equal to sin h inverse x by under root 1 plus x square, then 1 plus x square into y2 plus 3x y1 equal to given that problem. So first take cross multiplication under root 1 plus x square into y sin h inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Apply UV formula under root 1 plus x square dash u dash v plus v dash u equal to derivative of sin h inverse x. Derivative of the root function 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square. Derivative of the internal function 2x into y, 2 cancel. Derivative of y dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but y1 into under root 1 plus x square. Derivative of sin h inverse 1 by under root 1 plus x square. So take LCM under root 1 plus x square. This one cancel. X into y plus by 1. 1 divides under root 1 plus x square times. This into this, root cancel. 1 plus x square into y1 equal 1 by under root 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square cancel. So what is the remaining term? 1 plus x square into y1 plus x into y equal to 1. We want to 1 plus x square into y2. y2 means the second derivative. So again differentiate with respect to x. Apply UV formula. X into y, u into v, u dash v plus v dash u. Next, second one, u dash v dash u. Derivative of 1 equal to 0. So derivative of 1 0. Derivative of x square 2x. This y1 is this one. Derivative of y1 means dy by dx. Second derivative d square y by dx square. That is nothing but y2 into 1 plus x square. Derivative of x value 1 into y. Derivative of y1 into x. Write in the order 1 plus x square first, second derivative y2. Next y1 terms 2x y1 x y1 total 3x y1 plus y equal to 0. So plus y becomes to minus y. 1 plus x squared y2 3x y1 equal to plus y becomes to minus y. That is the given option, minus y.